You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a biblical name, founder of Nineveh, ancient capital of Assyria. So how do you pronounce it? Well, the name itself comes from Greek, was attributed to the Greek. I mean, it's from Assyria, but the name was given or written for the first by the Greeks. Okay, in Greek it's Ninus. In Latin, Ninus. This is why many people, including in English, say it as Ninus. But it is also accepted that the English pronunciation, the way it's commonly pronounced in English when you speak in English, is Ninus. Okay, so Ninus or Ninus are both correct pronunciations. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.